8 best running apps. Hey, what's up runners? If you're looking to track your runs, hit new personal best, or just stay motivated, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the best running apps that help you tracking, training, community, and more. Ready to level up your running games? Let's get to it. Number 1, we have Adidas Running with a rating of 4.8 and over 50 million downloads. Adidas Running is an all-in-one fitness tracker. It's not just for running, you can track gym workouts, cycling, and over 90 different sports. You can post activated stats, motivational challenges, and training plans for every level, from beginner to pros. Perfect for those who love detailed stats like life space, heart rate, elevations, and performance charts, all with a sleek profile. Next, we have GPS Run Tracker with a rating of 4.7 and over 10 million downloads. This app is a clean and lightweight GPS tracker, perfect for runners who just want to get moving, no distractions. It focuses on essential, accurate tracking, pace, distance, and calories burned, all in a super simple interface. If you're all about simplicity and reliability without the extra fluff, this one is for you. Next, we have Strava with a rating of 4.5 and over 15 million downloads. Strava is more than just fitness apps. It's a social network for athletes. It's track running, cycling, hiking, and 14 plus other sports. Syncs with Garmin, Fitbit, and more. You can follow friends, give kudos, and compete on segments and challenges. Perfect if you are motivated by the community, detailed stats, and some friendly competitions. Number 4, we have Nike Run Club with a rating of 4.5 and over 50 million downloads. Nike Run Club is perfect for guided runs, from coach to 5K to speed workouts and recovery sessions. You will get a real coach voiceover that keep you going and make every run feel like a session with a personal trainer. Best of all, it's completely free. Ideal if you are looking for structure, motivation, and expert guidance without spending a dime. Next, we have Map My Run by Map My Fitness with a rating of 4.9 and over 10 million downloads. Map My Run is a go for route planning, dynamic training plans, and detailed analytics. It syncs with wearable and even lets you explore community-built routes, making it super versatile. Some advanced features are locked behind a premium plan, but you love custom training and mapping every mile. This app is a solid pick. Next is ASICS Runkeeper with a rating of 4.7 and over 10 million downloads. Runkeeper is packed with features like guided workouts, custom training plans from 5Ks to marathons, and monthly challenges to keep you on track. You can monitor your pace, splits, calories burned, and even show meals. It's super beginner friendly but still powerful enough for serious runners who want structure and coaching. Number 7, we have Running and Jogging with a rating of 4.7 and over 5 million downloads. This app keeps things simple and efficient. It tracks essential stats like distance, pace, and calories burned, all while using minimal battery. Perfect for runners who want accurate tracking without all the premium extras or distractions. Number 8, Rona with a rating of 4.9 and over 1 million downloads. Rona delivers custom training plans and pace guidance tailored to your goal. Whether you are aiming to run faster, go longer, or train for a race, Rona gives you a coach-level structure without the high price tag. Perfect for runners who want smart, goal-oriented coaching built right into their phone. Last but not least, we have Relive with a rating of 4.8 and over 10 million downloads. Relive transforms your outdoor workouts into epic 3D video stories. It maps your roads, adds scenic visuals, and lets you drop into photos, making every run or ride feel like an adventure. Perfect for story-driven runners and social sharers. Though some users find the ads and upsell a bit much. And that's a wrap, team. Whether you are looking for training plans, simple run tracking, friendly competition, or even cool video for your roads, there is something here for everyone. Until the next time, keep running strong.